mix, and this is called Betty Crocker's vanilla cake mix. We have a half a cup oil, and we have 1 cup water.
And we got 3 brown eggs.
Let's add the cake mix into the bowl. Now add 1 cup of water into the bowl. Now add half a cup oil into the bowl.
Let's add 3 eggs in a bowl. Now let's mix it.
Let's beat it for 2 minutes. Of this mixture inside this bowl. Around 5 spoons. Put some chocolate syrup inside the smaller mixture. Spoon of the larger mixture inside the baking pan.
Center.
One chocolate bowl goes in the pan. Chocolate mix spoon into the pan.
Layers of vanilla and chocolate mix inside the pan, just as we did. Use a large toothpick to make a design that comes from the edge to the center. So you'll start from here and you'll draw away all the way to the center. And once you're done with that, you want to clean your tip of the toothpick with a toothbrush so it doesn't get all sticky again. Do the same patterns on all 4 sides of the batter. Preheat the oven at 350 degrees. And bake the cake in there for 25 to 30 minutes. Check if it's all properly baked. We'll put a toothpick inside it and make sure it's clear and dry. If the toothpick comes out dry like this, that means your cake is ready to eat. Thank you. For frosting, we'll use heavy whipping cream and put it inside this bowl. Make sure it's not too much. For 2 to 3 minutes. Beat it until it is frothy and light. Now add half a cup beat for a few seconds. Today was our grandpa's birthday, so we decorated the cake in a way that it would be special for our grandpa. So happy birthday, Baba.